I will introduce you my presentation slide about Australian hardware, my financial analysis. So about us, we are a domestic hardware company, and our trademark are mainly low price for quality product, and all of this with an expert analysis of what you need from our staff. So that's our trademark. Our way of doing business. For that, I will just repeat what our CEO said. We don't sell really cheap hammers. You can buy a cheaper hammer elsewhere. We sell the singular experience of buying just the right tool for today's needs. From Eric Greenwright, that is our CEO. This sentence summarizes exactly what our company is. So that's all for this one. Where we are located everywhere in Australia, but our main company is in New South Wales. This is where we plan everything and decide the new guidelines. Our vision, we want to follow the trend as we need to make as many as people happy, and we try to improve every day as our staff are passionate about what they do. Means they are specialized in each section of our company. For example, you're looking for the best hammers. We have someone that is passionate about hammers in our company. Our mission, it will giving the best value for your money means the quality and ratio have to be the best. Also, we offer advice from our staff that are specialists, as I told you, in each section of our company. And if they are not, they can send you to someone else that will know. As we have some young staff as well, or sometimes new people start working, they don't really know, so they can send you to someone that know more than them. So for our statutory requirements of the business, all facets of financial management will reflect each following point. So activities will be conducted ethically. All activities will reflect the strategic objective of the company, and the activities will will be carried out in addition to achieving the objectives and financial references of the current business plan. And we will give you more detail in the next slide. So the main requirement for opening and maintaining an Australian business are for sure the ABN, so Australian Business Number, the GST, so it's all the tax for goods and service, and the tax file number, the TFN. So to talk about our financial performance, so profit and loss statements, we had increased the sale that exceeding the goal we had. The value of the wage and employee increase, that can be good things or not. Insurance accorded with the projection. So actually we found a $700 value that was not specified in other fees. There is as well an important increase of the value, as I told you, of the wage and employee expense, and the water consumptions also increased significantly with no apparent reason. So that will need be to review and fixed. And what about our cash flow? Our cash flow, net income from operating activities was accepted at 232.7 68,000 and was only 153 and 940,000. An increase in GST collected was also noted, but the sale increased, so that's maybe mean why the GST increased as well. All right. So what we wanted to do for the budget revision, it's about the wage and salary. For example, we can hire more youngest people, that they are less expensive, under 18 years old, that they can conduct advice the customers to the specialist. We can also revision the water and resources, as there is an augmentation from no apparent reason. That also include electricity and gas. So, for example, for electricity, we can install some solar panel. That is the trend actually, because it can reduce your bill every years, even if the first cost will be expensive. The materials and stocks, as I told you before, the timber cost us more than the hardware stuff, and we sell it less expensive than the hardware stuff, so we make less benefit on it. So maybe we can balance between the hardware and the timbers, and the cash drawer usage that can be done with a automatic cash drawer that is used in most of the company like us. All right. So that was my presentation slide. Thank you for listening to me, and bye bye.